So here we are. A trip of a couple of firsts and a trip of last. I'm here for the first time out on a trip with Budnick Brothers. We got Max and Xander, super stoked about that. First time paddling in December. We wanted a whitewater winter paddling trip, canoe trip.
I have no idea where
There's no snow yet, but it's certainly raining and cold and windy. It should be the last paddling trip of the year, so let's make it a fun one. This might be the most Canadian canoe you'll ever see. A twart bar with a hockey stick.
Yeah. Custom built.
Custom built. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, do you tip today? Like what number?
Yeah, I'm like 7.
You're 7 for tipping? That was unintentional. Yo, I tipped at the top. I tipped at the top before getting in. I reached for my camera and I fucking...
This is the game of... Yeah, you're gonna want to lift up your tarp.
You think?
I mean, you could have lit before.
Because now
No, it's fine actually.
Oh, sweet.
We're hanging out in Xander's hot tent tonight. Nice little setup. It's nice to not have to be outside. It is windy as all hell outside. We were gonna just tarp it. This is it's a nice luxury. Just about to start cooking now, and got some good food tonight. I've got some pork chops and some kind of Norse sidekick. I have a lot of food. That's good because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day. Salt. Cayenne pepper. Ooh. Red pepper flakes.
Damn, I have a water bottle somewhere. One is garbage, so I gave it to Max. Well, it's not yours, but you can.
Maybe as the body of the stove, kind of like.
All right, let's see if I put too much cayenne pepper on. Felt like it was Oh yeah. Awesome.
Brothers. Fuck the hands. Okay. It's good? Yeah, it's good. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't get my head wet.
All right. Now you might be wondering why. I'm gonna attempt to bro science YouTube this up. Try to give you guys a bit of an explanation. Cold plunges is something I've enjoyed for a while actually, and maybe some of you will find some benefits in it. But now I need to warm up.
Hey, cheers.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah,
Thanks
cheers.
for joining.
Yeah, thanks for making this happen, Marty.
That was a good call.
Both Xander and I were like, okay. We'll do it.
All right, I'm gonna attempt to bro science this as to why we did this. Now, I'm no scientist, so like I said, I'm gonna try to just kind of explain it. But there's a lot
You
of
look like a scientist, though.
there's a lot of really cool and good benefits to cold exposure. When you expose yourself to cold like this, your body secretes a lot of different heat shock proteins, and what this does, like norepinephrines and stuff like that, which are literally like, I don't know if they're hormones, but some sort of chemical that your body produces, which is really good for general inflammation. And as we know, a lot of the diseases and a lot of people's health, the challenges comes from a lot of generalized inflammation in the body. And there's a lot of really cool science out there that shows the benefit of that. On top of that, it's really good for your mental strength and just your general will of just like pushing yourself to do something that's very uncomfortable. At the end of the day, every time you come out, like now, right now, I feel so alive. It's just like, it's one of those feelings that's just so
I knew
good.
I knew it was going to be the best decision of the day.
Yeah,
And the one I least wanted to do.
that's right. It's always that, right? So, we can look at the fire. Do you need it now? Obviously, dry suit is a must at this time of the year to be out, and this level 6 dry suit, the Fjord dry suit with the rain or the storm hood, is absolutely amazing. Huge thank you to level 6 for sending this out. This is a major reason why I get to paddle in the wintertime, because, or during the cold seasons, because otherwise it would be very, very, very unsafe to do that. So I think we're ready for the water now. It's still going to be a little chilly with this on, but it should be fun. After yesterday's condition of high wind, rain, and snow all mixed together, this beautiful sunshine, blue sky, very little wind is quite nice. We've got one rapid down, I think 4 left to go, and it's already 2:30, so we're going to be paddling into, we're going to be getting out in the dark, or maybe not in the dark, but right at dusk. Winter is amazing, but the days are so short. All right, so this doesn't look like much. I'd say a class 3 hit here. Pretty inconsequential. I mean, there's a rock here, but the way the rapid runs, it's pretty straightforward, to be honest. I'm gonna take the lesson I learned on the Batiscan and not risk it, because there's no consequences after, but it is December, it's cold. Even though we're wearing dry suits, we're still gonna get cold. Like, I mean, you're still submerged in cold water. And this can delay us quite a bit, and we're already like really chasing sunlights right now, so we're just gonna port it. This time of the year, you run them as clean as possible. Less water in the boat, the better. Plus, I'm having some reminders of what happened on the Batiscan. Sun's about 30 minutes away from the horizon, to be honest, so we've got to keep moving. I don't feel like getting stuck in a rapid in the dark yet. How awesome is this? How cool is it that we can get to be here in the wintertime? December whitewater canoe trip with the Budnick brothers, Zender and Max. If you don't know them already, make sure to check out their channels. Huge thank you to Level 6. Huge thank you to Skiff, because I also got to ride my Vertige X for the first time. Was supposed to receive it in February, but I guess Christmas came early this year. Super grateful for being able to be out here. If it wasn't for the supporters of this channel, I would never be able to go out and experience whitewater canoe trip in December. Perfect little trip, not too long, lots of camp life, got to hang out with the boys. Just super thankful. So I'll see you on the next one, everybody. Peace.